everyone, my name is Audrey and I'm a part of APB. I am one of the programming chairs, and today I will be showing you how to do a DIY mason jar, but I will be doing brownies, and also it'll be a bit of a Christmas style. So what I'm going to be putting the brownie mix in, this little cute little Christmas mason jar. Very cute. It's got a Santa on top. It says ho ho ho. And the ingredients that you'll need for this are pretty simple. You just need some sugar and baking powder, some baking cocoa powder, unsweetened is what I got, and then some flour and some salt. So what I'm going to start with first is the sugar, and you'll need 2 1/4 cups of sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. Taking a little longer than I thought. But these, doing jars like this can be like a great Christmas gift for anybody that you know that loves baking. I know some people that love baking, so this jar will be going to one of them. Okay. So I finally got the sugar in there. You should put 2 1/4 cups of sugar in it. And then next I'm going to do the cocoa powder. And you only do 2/3 of this. So there's one. I'm going to use this spoon to flatten it down just a little bit. Alright. There's 2/3. Making a bit of a mess. So I'm going to kind of shake it to flatten it down a bit, since I have to put a couple more ingredients in here. Okay, that looks pretty good. So next I'm going to put the flour in there. And I'm doing 1 cup and then a full cup. So trying not to make too big of a mess. Okay. Okay. Got my flour. So I'm going to pour it in here. Gonna use a spoon because it's not gonna go in there smoothly. Okay. So I'm going to use this spoon and try to flatten it down a little bit. Make a bit more room in there. Okay, I'm gonna shake it. Okay, and then do the 4th cup. Okay, there's all the flour. Just gonna try to push it down in there a little bit more. Okay, so I've got the sugar, the cocoa powder, and the flour. So next I am going to do the baking powder. And you only need 1 teaspoon of the baking powder. So I'm just going to use this spoon I have. Teaspoon. Okay. There's the baking powder right on top. And last, you just have to put salt. So you only need 1 teaspoon of salt as well. So there's the salt. Alright, so that is my brownie mix that I have. And you can put really any, like if you wanted to do chocolate chips or something, you could. I just didn't want to. But there's the jar. Put this back on there. And I'm also going to put the instructions on how to make the brownies once they actually get the gift. But yeah, that's how you do a DIY mason jar brownie edition. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas break. Thank you for watching.